So here's the thing. Recently I drove my bicycle and I got an accident. My doctor told me that I need to switch from hot to cold on my knee, and I found this system, so I hope it's gonna help me. Let's try it together. I decided to share with you my honest review, and I hope this system for the cold therapy will let other people feel the best as they could, and it's gonna work properly. So to use this ice therapy machine, we need literally nothing, of course, besides water. So you can have ice buckets or 6 bottles of cold water. So in my case, it's gel ice pack. We're gonna leave it here for now. First, I love this soft material. For my leg, that's what I need. So this stripes helps you to bend it around your leg. 2 of them, little boxes. It's our charger. So this is the main part that I'm gonna put on my leg. This is the pump. This is controller. Here we have timer for 10 minutes, 20, 30, and how cold it's gonna be, high, medium, or low level. And the main guest here is this bag. I see that it's waterproof, of course, and it also have instruction how to use right here. You can add a cold water, ice, and cold bottle of water, gonna be enough there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill it up with gel ice pack. In my case, as I told you before, we're gonna make it very cold because I need to fill it immediately. And just a half of this basket gonna be filled up with water. I'm gonna add water, a little bit more. Alright, when we have water inside, we need to pump it up. So this pump could even be sticked to the wall of this bag. You just need to connect the wires from this pump to controller, like this. The pump gonna go right here, in the water, in a cold water. It's gonna be like this. Put this pump in the water. Then connect the pipes to our applicator, like this. Then connect wires to remote controller and start using this. And now let me share with you my experience of how cold. So first that we're gonna do is to bend it around ourselves like this. I prefer to do it like this. And one more time, like this. Wow, this is it. So cool. By the way, it's cool in both meaning. So here we have a timer, so I can sit and read my book these 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I feel like my leg is frozen. This is a truly wonderful device. If you want, you can apply it here or here. Also inside here, you can see the water that was pumped. You know what, it's a perfect device for someone who needs to bring attention to their body. Also, I like that this bag comes with this adjustable stripe, so I can bring it with me in my room and rest there. I feel like I also gonna use this device after long days at the beach. Sometimes it may be red and very hot, especially at the summer. I'm gonna put this cold pad under my bag and stay cold all summer. I personally recommend this device. Buy, try and like.